Hello everyone, I am Harpit Kaur. I am student of Enterprise Business Analytics. Our project title is Pathway to Opportunity Between Australian Countries of the African Continent Responding to the Africa-Australia Market Benefiting. This is our sprint 1. We are working on the sprint. So by using the introduction for our project, we are emphasize on the opportunity and the pathway for employment to unemployed individuals who have lost their job due to the COVID-19. The main focus of the study will be the youth and the women of Australian African background. In addition, the small business that were shut down due to the COVID-19, the research will provide with the wide range of solution to the unemployed people. So the main problem of this statement is COVID-19 has caused a lot of people go jobless and a lot of companies cut down their employees. And moreover, in addition to this, small businesses must shut down their businesses due to globalization and the lockdown in the country. As are using the client and the supervised requirements, we have, according to the client, we are required to provide the following major details: the trading agreement between the Australian African community based on the federal or the state government laws, and the second requirement is the Australian African people living in Australia, their lifestyle, life pattern and the jobs. And moreover, we are working on the what is the social association between Australian and African, and what are the major aims, and we are also literature review, and we are working as the team in the separate one. So we now I will discuss about the team members who have worked in this separate one according to the requirements of the client and the supervisor. So we have started this sprint one on the 5th April 2021, and we have finished this one on the 28th April 2021. We have spent around the 21 hour by each group member. We are a 4 group member in our sprint 1, and in our project Amandeep Kaur also spent the 21 hours, and the Gaurav Sehgal, me and the Mandeep Kaur. Now we use this user story as a requirement of our client and the supervisor, and we fulfill the requirements of our supervisor and the client which he want in our project. So we use as that in the use as a user story. So our client want that we are use as based on the trade agreements and the social association. So we are use that requirements. So as a user's requirement, as a client, I want to get as much knowledge as I can of African Australian community and their culture. For that user story, we have allocated the task among our group members. So we did literature review and the data collection for this user story, and the rest of the user story we have divided among the group members and work on these user stories. So these are the evidence which we have done in our group. So we have divided the user stories, and we work on the literature review on some stories. So we have used that articles for our user stories, like the study focus on the dynamic of dataization in Africa and how it created jobs for youth and fulfill. And the rest of the other art literature view I have used it for as a user for a user stories. Now this is the to be processed model which we have used as the evidence of our work done for our user stories, and this is the Australian African nascent market. We have used that COVID-19 reflected COVID, and check if check finance is no, then it's a search for opportunity. If enough finance, then keep the employees. We have used this to be processed model for our project, and the fishbone diagram as well for like major problems for the project is the online for our project we have using the fishbone diagram. We have the 7 major use for, that is a measurement, industry, process, management, people and environment for, and this is the YY diagram we have used, and which one we change to be carried out forward in the next sprint is better enhancement of the research done, researching on the most recent articles, researching based on the valid result from the interview and the course. And now I will discuss my own part which is done by me in my sprint one. accomplishment in this sprint. In the sprint 1 goals provide the guidance to determine which product backlog items should be included in the sprint backlog, and I learn how to work in the team and experience of the team. And sprint 1 focuses on the research articles that are majorly pre-reviewed once to acknowledge the cause of the problem and applying stream a specific knowledge of to my project. As I did my unit ITech 5500 professional research and communication, ITech 540 for business process analytic, I learn how to implement these streams in this project and learn in the sprint. Learn how to merge the research, learn the culture association between the Australian African religion obligations, and the spending more time on the strong and concrete research. What could have been gone better in the sprint? Better research based on face-to-face meeting, often settings could overcome communication gap and gap analyze. And if any question, and thank you.